What's up? Congratulations on taking action and buying the Profitable Profiles Blueprint. My name is Coach Corey, guys, and together we'll do it better. Again, I just want to say thank you for making your purchase. Look, I know what it's like to be an online entrepreneur and try to get constant leads on a consistent basis, right? And that's what I love most about the Profitable Profiles Blueprint. Is this going to show you how you can get free, unlimited leads just from doing what you're already doing on social media. And with that, guys, I actually partnered up with a guy named Blake Minbar. He's going to be the instructor of this because when it comes to this type of profile setup, he is the man when it comes down to it. So I just wanted to introduce you really quick to Blake Minbar because he's the one that's going to be going through all the trainings with you guys. So with that being said, check him out. Blake Minbar's the man. Just make sure that you guys follow this process, follow each step of the blueprint, and you will have success. Again, I want to say thank you for joining the Profitable Profiles Blueprint, and we'll see you in the next video.